Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Volvo XC60 in neutral. First, understand that the XC60 uses an electronic gear selector, which operates differently from traditional shifters. You'll need to be familiar with its specific button and lever actions to safely engage neutral. This guide will walk you through both standard and emergency procedures, ensuring you can manage your vehicle effectively and safely in various situations. For standard neutral engagement, ensure your Volvo XC60 is completely stopped. With your foot firmly on the brake pedal, gently push the gear selector forward or backward, depending on your model, until the N for neutral illuminates on your dashboard display. This method is used when the engine is running and you simply need to temporarily disengage the transmission, perhaps at a car wash or for a brief stop. If your XC60 needs to be towed and the engine cannot be started, you'll use the emergency neutral release. This often involves locating a small access point near the gear selector, sometimes under a cover. Insert a small tool, like a pen or screwdriver, into the opening to press the release button or lever. This action manually shifts the transmission into neutral, allowing the vehicle to be moved or towed safely. When your Volvo XC60 is in neutral, it can roll freely, so always engage the parking brake immediately, especially on any incline. Never leave the vehicle unattended in neutral, as it poses a significant safety risk. For the most accurate and model-specific instructions, always refer to your Volvo XC60 owner's manual. It contains detailed diagrams and information tailored to your specific vehicle's features and safety protocols.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.